Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make tofu wrap tofu, then so can you. This video will be interesting in the sense that it's going to showcase the versatility of tofu in its various forms. Previously on our channel, we would use hard or traditional tofu like this. In this video, we're going to be using the very different soft tofu, which we purchased in tube form like this, as well as bean curd sheets. Bean curd sheets go by several different names, including tofu skin or yuba. It's made during the boiling of soy milk when the film or skin forms on the top of the boiling milk, which is then formed into sheets and dried. One interesting fact about tofu sheets is its nutritional value. Tofu sheets are rich in protein, calcium, and other essential nutrients, making it a popular choice for vegetarians and other health-conscious individuals. Start by removing both forms of tofu from their packaging. If you can, make sure that your bean curd sheet is the same length as your tofu. Then just roll the soft tofu into the sheet until it looks like you have a little tofu burrito. Then, starting at one end, we'll start stabbing toothpicks into your tofu. The toothpicks serve two purposes. One to hold the roll closed, and two to mark where you're going to start cutting your tofu into slices. Your toothpicks should be about ½ an inch apart. Then grab a sharp knife and begin slicing the tofu in between each of the toothpicks. Try to make it even on both sides so that the toothpick doesn't accidentally poke out the side of your tofu. Also make sure that you leave enough toothpick sticking out of your tofu. When they're done, they should look like tofu lollipops. Over at the stove, we're going to make sure we hit the like and subscribe buttons and then add some oil to a pan over medium to high heat. Then begin lightly placing your tofu lollipops into the pan. Cook the tofu until they're a light golden brown on both sides. At this point, you can add whatever seasoning or sauce that you wanted. In our case, Uncle Fred decided to sprinkle them with some homemade seasoning that he made, but honestly, you could garnish them with a sauce of your choice. You could probably even try them with our secret universal sauce. You can find the recipe for this sauce on our playlist, and it comes in two versions, spicy and non-spicy. And there you have it, tofu wrap tofu. If you tried this recipe for yourself, let us know how you seasoned it down in the comments. Did you add some sauce or seasoning right in the pan? Or did you make a dipping sauce for them later? They're a quick little appetizer that's extremely versatile in that you can add them with sauce or season them exactly how you like them. If you liked this video, please let us know by giving the like button a click. And we release a new video every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.